Hi students, today we are going to see a summation, concept 5, sum number 6, right? Sum number 6. So I told you that you have to recall all the formulas. Now we are using all the formulas, right? Whatever we have discussed in the first 4 concepts, at the same time what we have discussed in 9th, 8th standard, right? Area of a square, rectangle, a triangle, right? What are the shapes, right? What are the 2D shapes they are discussing, right? We are going to use that one, right? So now sum number 6, a drain cover, right? A drain cover is made from a square metal plate, right? A drain cover is made from a square metal plate of side 40 centimeter. So side of a square is equal to 40 centimeter, right? By having 441 holes, right? 441 holes of diameter 1 centimeter drilled in it, right? How many number of circles we are having in a square? 441 circles, and diameter of a circle, right? 1 centimeter. Find the area of the remaining square plate, right? Remaining square plate. So first in this concept, first what we want to write, what are the shape they are discussing, what are the shapes they are discussing. One is nothing but square, right? One is nothing but square, another one is nothing but circle, right? Square and circle. So for square, for finding the area of a square, what we are needed? Side. So we are having, what is it? Side of a square is equal to 40 centimeter. So side of a square is equal to 40 centimeter, right? For finding the area of circle, what we are needed? Area of circle is equal to radius, right? Pi r square. For that we need r, radius. So we are having diameter 1 by 1 centimeter. Diameter of a circle is equal to 1 centimeter. Then radius of a circle, that is half, 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 centimeter. 1 by 2 centimeter, right? Now what we want to find? To find area of a remaining square plate. Area of the remaining square plate. Area of the remaining square plate. How we want to find the area of the remaining square plate? So first we want to find the area of a square, right? And 441 holes they have done, right? They have put a 441 holes, right? So we want to remove the area of a 441 circle, right? They have removed, by putting a drill, they have removed 441 circles in a square plate. So area of a square plate, right? Area of the remaining square plate is equal to area of a square minus 441 into area of a circle. That is the area of remaining. I'm just subtracting the area of 441 circles in a square, right? Then that is the remaining part of the square plate, remaining area of the square plate. So area of remaining square plate is nothing but area of square, right? Area of square minus 441 into how many number of circles we are having? Holes. 441 holes are there. So 441 into area of circle. Area of circle. Write it. What is the formula of area of a square? Side into side, right? Side into side, right, in the bracket, minus 441 into pi r square. Pi r square, right? Substitute, what is the value of side? Side is equal to 40 centimeter. So 40 into 40 minus 441 into pi value, we want to take, see, radius is something but 1 by 2 only, right? It's not in the form of 7 multiple. But see that here 441 is a 7 multiple. So I am going to take pi as 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into r is nothing but 1 by 2 r square. That means we have to multiply twice, into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, right? This is equal to 40 into 40, 1600. 1600 minus, is it possible to simplify? Right, 7 1 times, how many times are possible? 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42. 6 times 42, 2 balance 21, 7 3s are 21, 63. Right? Here we can cancel by 2, 11 times. Still in denominator only 2 alone there. Still we can cancel. 1 time 5.5 times. Right? So 63 into 5.5 is equal to 346.5. Right? 63 into 5.5 is equal to 346.5. While we are subtracting 1600 minus 346.5, 1253.5 centimeter square. Therefore, area of remaining square plate, right? Area of remaining square plate. See, whenever they are asking area of a remaining or the area of the shadow region, likewise they are asking means, usually how we want to find means, right? Usually how we want to find means, it's very important. First we want to find the total area, right? We want to find the total area. After that, unshadowed region or removed part, right? We have to subtract, right? We have to subtract the, first we want to find the total area and we have to subtract one by one, right? We have to subtract one by one that unshadowed region or the remaining part, right? Or the removing part, right? Understood? It's very important. So now area of remaining square plate is equal to 1253.5 centimeter square. Sum number 7. A circular plot has perimeter of 660 meter. A circular plot, circle, right? A plot in the shape of square having its vertices on the circumference of the field, right? On the circumference of the field is marked in the field. Calculate the area of the square field. Calculate the area of the square field. So first given. So what are shapes they are discussing? Circle and square, right? Circle and square. They are discussing about two shapes, circle and square. So a circular plot has perimeter of 660 meter, right? First just sort out the given. So we are having that perimeter of a circle, right? Perimeter of a circle is equal to 660 meter, right? Perimeter of circle. So usually we only want to find the perimeter of a circle by using the formula. But if they are giving the value of the perimeter, then what we want to do, we want to equate, right? We want to equate the value with the concerned formula and we want to find some unknown, right? Some unknown from the formula. See, in the perimeter we are going to find the radius, right? By equating the perimeter formula with this value, we will find the radius, right? Radius of a circle. The square, actually what we want to find, area of the square field, right? To find area of the square field, area of square only we want to find. So if we know the side of a square, then easily we can find the area of a square, right? If we know the side of a square, then side into side is in the middle. What is the formula of area? Side into side, right? A square or side into side, right? If we know the side of a square, then we can easily find the area of a square, right? But here we want to find the side alone, right? That only we don't know that. Now we are going to find the side alone. How we are going to find? See, first once again I'm just reading the question, right? A circular plot has perimeter of 660 meter. A plot in the shape of a square. A plot is in the shape of a square shape, having its vertices on the circumference of the field. That means having its vertices. All the four vertices lie on the circumference of the circle, right? On the circumference of the circle, right? Calculate the area of the square field. So how we are going to find? See here, this is center point for a circle O, right? I'm just joining the point AC. Right? See, in the square, AC is nothing but diagonal, right? AC is nothing but diagonal. For a circle, AC is nothing but diameter. So the length of the diagonal of a square is equal to the length of the diameter of the circle, right? So diagonal of a square is equal to diameter of a circle, right? So we are having a clue, right? We are having a clue for finding the radius, right? R. we can find the radius of a circle. If you know the radius of a circle, then we can find diameter of a circle. If you know the diameter of the circle, then we can write the diagonal of a square. If you know the value of diagonal of a square, from that we can find the side of a square, right? We can find the side of a square. How I am finding, understood? See, there is a link, right? So what is it? Diameter of a circle is equal to diagonal of a square, right? So for we are going to find the diameter of a circle, right? If you know the diagonal of a square, right? If you know the diagonal of a square, then by using the formula we can find the side of a square. If once we know the side of a square, then we can find the area of the square, right? So first one by one we are going to find. First I am going to find the radius, right? Radius of a circle. So already we are having that. What is it? Perimeter of a circle is equal to perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle is equal to 660 meter. What is the formula of perimeter of circle? 2 pi r is equal to 660. Substitute the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 660, right? Keeping the r alone in the LHS and bringing all the terms to the taking to the RHS. So numerator will goes to denominator, denominator will goes to numerator. So 660 into 7 divided by 2 into 22, right? 2 into 22. Simplify. 2 table 330 and see that both are 11 tables. 2 times 30 times, right? 1 time 15 times. So r is equal to 15 into 7 is equal to 105 centimeter. So radius is equal to 105 centimeter. Then diameter is equal to 2r is equal to 2 into 105 centimeter. That is diameter is equal to 210 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 210 centimeter, right? Here diameter of a circle, right? Here diagonal of a square is equal to diameter of a circle, right? So diameter of circle is 210 centimeter. So it is equal to 210 centimeter. Diagonal of a square is equal to, right? Diagonal of a square is equal to 210 centimeter. From that now we are going to find. How we are going to find? Now we know only the diagonal value. How we are going to find? See, it's very simple. ABC is a right angle triangle, right? ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B, right? Right angle at B, right? Now already we know that the length of AB and BC. See, in a square all the 4 sides are equal. In a square all the 4 sides are equal, right? So AB is equal to BC. I'm taking let AB is equal to, I'm taking as X. BC also X, right? AB is nothing but X. BC is also X, right? And AC is nothing but, we know that just now only we have find a diagonal. It's nothing but 210 centimeter, right? 210 centimeter diagonal of a triangle, diagonal of a square as well as AC, side of a triangle. AC is nothing but 210 centimeter, right? Now we know all the 3 sides. It's a right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem property, now I am going to find the length of X. So X is nothing but side of a square. So by using the area of a square formula, I am going to find the area of a square, right? Understood how I am finding? Now we know the length of side AC, and already we know that AB is equal to BC, right? All the 4 sides are equal. I am just assuming AB is equal to X as well as BC is also X. By using right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem property, I am going to find the value of X. Let AB is equal to BC is equal to X and AC is equal to 210 centimeter, right? In right triangle, right? In right triangle ABC, right? In right triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? AC is nothing but hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. AC is nothing but how much? 210 whole square is equal to, what is AB? X. X square plus X square. AB is nothing but X. BC is also X. So 210 square is nothing but 210 into 210 is equal to x square plus x square, 2x square, right? 2x square. Taking 2 to the LHS, see x square plus x square like terms, so 2x square. Taking 2 to the LHS, it will become, what is it? X square is equal to 210 into 210 divisible by 2. Simplify, 1 times 105 times, right? Then x square is equal to 210 into 105. 210 into 105. 22,050 meters square, right? X. See, already we know that area side is something, what is it? Side of a square is equal to x, right? Already we have assumed as side of a square is equal to x. So area of a square is nothing but x into x, that is x squared. So already we are having. So once again you don't want to find. So directly you can find. So side of a square is nothing but x. Then area of a square is nothing but, what is it? X square. So already we have found the value of x square, that is nothing but 22,050 meters square. Therefore, area of a square field, right? Area of a square field is equal to 22,050 meters square. Right? Question number 8. A square water tank. A square water tank has its sides equal to 40 meters. There are 4 semicircular grassy plats. Semicircular grassy plats all around it. Find the cost of turfing the plats at rupees 1.25 per meter square. So first either given. So what are shapes they are discussing? Square and the semicircular. So square and the semicircular. Semicircle, right? Semicircular grassy plat, semicircle, right? Square and the semicircle. The side of a square is nothing but how much? 40 meter. So side of a square water tank is nothing but 40 meter. And they didn't give anything about the semicircle, right? So here they didn't give the diagram, right? First we can draw the diagram. Right? After that, what we want to find, we can find it. So first see the question. A square water tank. A square water tank has its sides equal to 40 meter. So each side is equal to how much? The length of each side is equal to 40 meter, right? There are 4 semicircular grassy plats all round it. So there are 4 semicircular grassy plats. So far in each side semicircular grassy plats are there. Semicircular grassy plats. Semicircular grassy plats. See, actually we want to use scale. I'm just drawing directly, right? Semicircular grassy plats all round it. Find the cost of turfing the plats at rupees 1.25 per meter square. Find the cost of turfing. So turfing, where they are turfing means they are turfing only the 4 semicircles alone, right? So first we want to find the area of a semicircle, right? We want to find the area of the semicircles, right? Area of a 4 semicircles, and after that finding area, we just multiply the cost and we'll get the cost of turfing the plats, right? So here we are having only that side of a square is equal to, right? Side of a square is nothing but 40 meter, right? Side of a square is nothing but 40 meter. For finding the area of a semicircle, right? For finding the area of a semicircle, what we are needed? Radius is needed. But here we don't have radius. How we are going to find the radius? See, by seeing the diagram, see that this is semicircle, this all 4 are semicircles, right? And this is AB is nothing but, AB is a side of a square. At the same time, AB is the diameter for a semicircle, right? AB is the diameter for semicircle. BC is also diameter for this semicircle, right? BC is a side for the square and BC is nothing but diameter for the semicircle. So already we know that the length of AB is equal to 40 meter. So we know that, right? The side and diameter, side is equal to, side of a square is equal to diameter of a semicircle, right? Diameter of a semicircle is equal to 40 meter. Now we know that diameter is equal to 40 meter. From that we can find the radius. What is the radius of a semicircle? Half of diameter, that is 20 meter, right? 20 meter. Then we can directly find it. What we want to find? To find cost of turfing, right? Cost of turfing only we want to find. So only we want to find the area of the 4 semicircles alone we want to find, right? Only we want to find the area of 4 semicircles. What they are saying, a square water tank is there, right? They are putting grassy plants all round it. That is nothing but they are putting a grassy plant over the semicircles alone, right? So only we want to calculate the area of 4 semicircles alone, right? There only they are putting grassy plats, right? There only they are putting grassy plats. So we want to find area of semicircle, right? Area of 4 semicircles. So area of 4 semicircles, right? Area of 4 semicircles is equal to 4 into pi r square divided by 2. Area of semicircle is nothing but pi r square by 2, and 4 semicircles, so 4 into pi r square by 2, right? First simplify, then we can substitute. 1 times, 2 times, just substitute 2 into pi value. R value is nothing but it is not in the form of a 7 multiple, so better you can go for 3.14. Pi is equal to 3.14 into r is nothing but 20, so 20 into 20, right? While we are multiplying 2 into 3.14, 6.28, 20 into 20, 400. While we are multiplying 400 into 6.28, we will get 2512 meter square. So area of 4 semicircle is equal to 2512 meter square. But what we want to find? Cost of turfing only we want to find. For each meter square, right, per meter square, how much the cost they are taking charge? 1.25 rupees, 1 rupees 25 pice for per meter square. So totally how many meter squares are there? Area 2512 meter square. Now we want to find the cost of turfing the plots. So cost of turfing the plots is equal to 2512 into 1.25, right? Into 1.25. So it is equal to rupees 3140, right? Want to know homework sums? Sum number 9. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region, right? Area of shaded region in the given figure. AB equal to 12 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So area of shaded region. What are shapes we are having? Circle and rectangle. Circle and rectangle. So how we are going to find circle and rectangle? So area of a circle minus area of a rectangle, right? Area of circle minus area of a rectangle. So for finding the area of circle, what we are needed? Radius is needed, but we don't know the radius, right? So we want to find the radius. How we are going to find radius? So before that, area of rectangle we are having, right? We want to find area of a rectangle. So for that we are having length and the breadth. Length is nothing but 12 centimeter, breadth is nothing but 5 centimeter. So now we want to find area, radius of a circle we want to find. Already we know that if the 4 vertices of a square or rectangle are lie on the circumference of the circle, then the diagonal is equal to diameter. The length of the diagonal is equal to diameter. Here the same thing, 4 vertices lie on the circumference of the circle, right? So the diagonal of a rectangle is equal to diameter of the circle. So how we are going to find the diagonal of a rectangle? How we are going to find the diagonal of rectangle? Already we know that ABC is a right angle triangle, right? Right angle triangle. So we know the length of AB and BC, and by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of AC, right? The AC is nothing but diameter of a circle, right? Then from the diameter of circle, we can find the radius. By finding the radius, we can find what is it? Area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region is nothing but the total area minus area of a rectangle. Total area is nothing but area of circle minus area of a rectangle, right? So number 10, find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure where a circular arc of radius 6 cm, right? Where a circular arc of radius 6 cm has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 cm as center. So what are the shapes we are having now? One is nothing but triangle, another one is nothing but sector, right? Area of a sector. So for finding the area of a sector, we are needed two things. One is nothing but theta, another one is nothing but radius, right? So radius is nothing but they have given 6 centimeter, but theta is not given. So we want to find theta. How we are going to find theta? See, one more clue is there. The triangle is triangle is nothing but, right, equilateral triangle, right? The given triangle OAB is nothing but equilateral triangle. So angle, all the three angles is equal to 60 degree, right? All the three angle is equal to 60 degree. Suppose if this is 60 degree, so what is the angle for the major sector? 300. How? 360 minus 60, right? So now we know the theta of the sector as well as radius of the sector also, right? We know the theta of the sector as well as radius of the sector for finding the area of sector. We want to find area of an equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle formula? Root 3 divided by 4 into a square. What is a? Side of a triangle. What is side of a triangle? 12 centimeter. Right? So how we want to find area of a shadow region? Area of triangle plus, because totally, fully it has been shaded, right? So area of a equilateral triangle plus area of a major sector. Area of a major sector. Right? Thank you.